Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a button in Java. So let's just get started. So let's start off by writing jframe frame equals new jframe. And let's give it a title of my button. And let's finish that off with a semicolon. Now let's set the frame size to 420. You want to set the resizable to false, the layout to null, and in the end we want to set the visibility to true. Now let's create a JButton by writing jbutton equals new JButton, and in here you can write the text that'll appear on your button. So we're going to call this click me. Now let's set the bounds of the button to 150, 150, 150, 50, which is just the X and Y coordinates for it, and then from the top left corner the width of 150 and 50 pixels. Now before this set visible, you want to make sure you put frame.addButton. This will add our JButton to our JFrame so it appears on the screen. Now if we run our code, you'll see we've got our button right here. However, if we click our button, nothing happens. So let's change that. Now go back in your code and let's add some functionality to your button. So you want to write button.addActionListener, some weird arrow thing, these bracket things with this right here, and the semicolon. Basically any code you write in the middle right here, from this bracket to this bracket, this will all be run. Now let's make it so if you click the button, it changes the text of the button. Now run your code. Now if we click the button, you'll see our button has changed the text. Adios.